Okay, now we come back for the rest of the cook. The chicken is ready, and I want to show everybody what it look like. I hope everybody look good, and let's say salute cincin to everybody, and now I take the chicken out. Salute. Okay, now watch out, it's really, really hot. Okay, I put it right over here. I want to turn the oven off. Okay, and let's go on the table.
Looks
It
beautiful.
look really, really beautiful. Look how nice it look. The color of the chicken it come out really, really good. Now, I want to take one piece, and let's take it. I'll take this one. It's okay. Okay, and now I take little potato, everything. Potato, fennel, and the carrots. All right. Now I want to taste my business. I got a little thyme. We put a little bit over there, a little bit over here. Fresh thyme, it give a really good. Okay. All right. Now let's taste the chicken. Oh, look at the skin.
Hello, Lena. Thank you for everything.
Hot. Look at that. Look how beautiful.
Yeah.
This, I ate this. I gotta eat that one. Oh, the chicken is so cooked good. Look how nice, juicy. A little carrots. Look how nice.
Cook perfect.
Really good. It's a smoke. Potato. Tonight, me and my wife, we want to enjoy this beautiful chicken. It come out really good. Salute e cincin to everybody. Make this, I want everybody to say Pasquale, really, really good. Now the chicken thigh, it was a big one. You know, you gotta say, that's a small chicken thigh, that's a big, you gotta cook a little bit more extra, a little bit. But it's a small, you cook a little bit less. Salute e cincin, but before I close, I want to eat that piece over there. This one. Oh, look how beautiful look. Really, really good.
No, it was cooked with the skin together.
Yes, with the skin. And look at the skin. Nice. Nice and crispy. Really good. Salute e cincin to everybody. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for the start. Thank you. Salute.